The first time I saw the Mercy sign, I felt glad because this will be an NGO that will somehow give some to our needs, because after the Yolanda, we don't have any water, food, we have no electricity, so really need some instant help. We just thought that they're just going to give the common relief goods. We did not expect that they're going to restore our school and even extend their help to the community. And we did not thought that they're going to build another classroom for our children. We saw the first plan, and we really do anticipate that it were going to happen, because even before Yolanda, we have this complete classroom, but still we still need more classroom because we don't have any computer laboratory. We don't even have a library for our children. Knowing that Mercy Malaysia will give us new hope for our dreams even before Yolanda will come true. We're very looking forward that it will happen soon. It's really a great help. And knowing that you're still holding on for us to help, and we're really thankful for that. And we felt lucky that for how many barangays here in Ormoc City, you chose us to be your recipient, and to the Malaysian donors who keep on supporting this organization. Thank you very much, because without you, Mercy Malaysia will not achieve their goals to help other people, not only in your country, but also the people in other places. Even though we don't know each other, but still, we're very thankful that you extend your help to us through this organization, Mercy Malaysia. Thank you very much.